welcome back. So we were talking about drawers and the opening cabinets. We talked briefly about it previous slides and how to consider when you place cabinets next to each other and try to make it the way that they can fully operate and open. For your drawer, there are many options nowadays, and if you look at the catalogs, you'll find many of them. They come with a price, but you can, if you are a limited budget, you can pick and choose what you need to have, and just try to work with that option and prioritize what you really want. But they're nice and they make life easy, and I highly recommend at least choosing a couple of them that are more practical and useful. What is an island and all you need to know about it? Island is a big chapter. In many countries, people are still not very familiar with island. It's basically base cabinets in the middle of your kitchen. So once you want to design that, you have to consider what the style of your kitchen is, how much space you have. You can't put a big island or very small in a small kitchen, or put a small island in a very big kitchen. So the size matter and where you would put it and what the function would be are very important questions. So what is it being placed in the island? You need to have an outlet, definitely. Sometimes people are using small appliances when they are preparing food, so you definitely need to have outlets. And probably more base cabinets. Sometimes you have sinks or you will have a stove, sometimes microwaves and bottom. So these are the things that you might think placing it in the island. That's on the island. Okay, what's the main purpose of it? Seriously, what is the thing that you want the island to do? Is it just a space filler, or is it something that people use on a daily basis, maybe for a snack, doing homework, and things like that? They all make difference of what and how it should be designed. So again, do you need more cabinets in the island? Or maybe you want to leave some portion of it open for leg room or just sake of beauty. Consider putting some seating around it. Sometimes you don't have enough space. Sometimes you do, but if you do have a space and you do want to have those chairs, um, think about putting a little space projecting out of your countertops so people have leg room. If you want to take it higher than the normal cabinet base cabinet height, then do so, but then remember that you need the bar stools if you do that, because then you get to the question of how tall you want to be. You don't want to be way too tall, or maybe you do. If it's too tall, or and I'm not saying too tall, but if it's high enough that a person can put a lean on it or put a hand on it to just right, and when person stands, then it's not going to be suitable to put chairs around it and use it that way. Is it a focal point? Maybe you need a different color of cabinets underneath, or different countertops on top of it, or different lightings. So these are very important. Is it a sink on it? Does it have a water pipe? Think about that. Does it just splash? Imagine on the other examples that I've showed you. If we replace that stove with a sink, then you're doing homework and then you splash. So again, it has to be uh, some sort of guard, or have, higher cabinets to protect that from happening, if that's the case. Um, so again, imagine if it's is it to be safe to put a stove? We talked about that. And do I need a second island? And don't forget the outlets. I talked about the outlets, and but think about if you need the second island. Yes, when you have a big kitchen, sometimes you will have second island. Again, that comes with your design and ideas that you might have. So this kitchen is very nice, but very not so practical, right? Talk about safety, and but I like the way they put a space for leg room, and have this as a see-through um, type of to match it. This is a very huge island. They have a legroom right here. Yeah, and it's far from the sitting, so when someone is doing homework, probably less splash. So practical. And the lightings are sufficient, so make sure you light up all your counter and treat it that way. All right, another island. That's a nice one. So if you want to have some items that you want to show off, feel free to do that. I'm not so sure about these two lightings. They're kind of invisible, but that's pretty neat and modern look. Um, what about a lighting? So you cannot design any place without putting sufficient lighting. So think about the general lighting, task lighting, and ambiance lighting. So the lighting that are tasked, there are these lights. So you want to make sure that you are having under cabinets lighting, because it's a kind of a surgery when you open up that chicken and breast. So you want to have a person cut his finger or her finger. You have a general lightings. Yeah, these are general lightings, and these are decoratives. So yeah, when at night people are sleeping, sometimes have a little lights for a person who likes to sleepwalk or or eat something at night, that or just have a nice mood, create a mood in the kitchen, very sufficient. The lighting plan, so think about general lightings, and these are, okay, if I don't have this, I will have a dark space here. If I don't have this, I will have a dark space. So I need those. I need this task lighting underneath the cabinets. That's for sure. All right. And then in a bigger kitchen, that's a small kitchen. In a bigger kitchen, you wanted to think about the outlets as well. But again, it's something that you want to have, and it's general lightings, and you have task lighting going underneath. These are the outlets, and outlets where the refrigerator has to be higher. So in the upper part, because it's generally where it is. Then actually, yeah, and pretty much what do we have? Yeah, smoke detector, outlets. Yeah, we need more outlets than a usual bedroom. And needs because of the small appliances and big appliances that we have in the kitchen. Very important. All right, we're done with this section. We're going to talk about kitchen design for people with disability on the next